How to make money online with PLR products. Step 1. Go to plr.me and create an account. You can download over 16,746 courses, ebooks, PLR products and more without typing a single word from scratch. Step 2. Go to gumroad.com and create an account. You can sell anything. Video lessons, monthly subscriptions, physical products, whatever. Step 3. Go to System.io and create an account. All-in-one marketing platform. All the tools you need under the same roof. You can create funnels, send unlimited emails, and create email campaigns. Step 4. Go to Pinterest.com and create a business account. Create a new pin. Upload your video or photo, you can create one on Canva.com. Add a perfect title. Add a good description. And your product link. Keep following this method and you will be able to make over $1,000 per month.